Our last question for the week comes from a mother named Tess or Tessa. This is her concern about her son. At his early age, he wants to go to church. He always wanted to sleep with the crucifix beside him. Is it normal? He is 1 year old. Oh, Tess, kinakabahan ka ha? Dahil ang 1 year old ay gustong magsimba at gusto katabi ang crucifix. Now, you're asking whether this is normal. No, I'm not a child psychologist. I do not want to venture into something that is not my territory. But I just want you to calm down, be peaceful, no, be at peace. For all you know, your child, 1 year old, sees something in the Mass or in the crucifix that might speak to him. It might be part of a childlike fascination. It might be, for all you know, he doesn't yet clearly understand the difference between a crucifix or other symbols around him. No? There are some children who are fascinated with Mickey Mouse. But some are fascinated with the statue of Our Lady. No? But maybe in their innocent minds, these are symbols. But we cannot discount the work of the Holy Spirit. You know, when you hear the stories of priests, seminarians, and sisters, you would be amazed that at an early age, they started playing games. Of course, they played the normal games of children, but they also loved to play games like pamisa-misa, pakumukumunyon, ganyan. And then later on, they realized maybe it was the Holy Spirit at work. Now, what will the Holy Spirit do with your son? Time will tell. But mabuti na yan. Ang gusto niya, crucifix at magsimba. Matakot ka kung ibang lugar pa ang gusto niyang puntahan.